This is a quick video demo to show you how to use your Brieftons QuickPush Food Chopper, model BR-QP-03. Please take a few moments to watch it before using the chopper. Components. Your chopper comes with the following components: a lid that houses a pusher, a catch container, 3 blades, and a cleaning comb. Blade types. The chopper comes with 3 blades. A small dicing blade to make 12mm by 12mm dices. Use this for not so hard vegetables such as onions, carrots, celeries, bell peppers, zucchini, cooked beetroots. A large dicing blade to make 23mm by 23mm dices. Use this for potatoes, cucumbers, tomatoes, radishes, bell peppers, zucchini, apples, etc. A slicing blade to make 6mm wide slices. Use this for soft fruits and vegetables only, such as strawberries, kiwi, cucumbers, zucchini, mushrooms, boiled eggs. How to use. To chop foodstuffs, please follow these steps. Put the chopper on an even, flat surface. Cut the vegetable into thin slices first, maxed 1/2 inch thick. For harder vegetables such as carrots, sweet potatoes, beets, you may need to pre-boil or microwave them a little first to soften them. Place the lid securely on the container. To remove the existing blade from the lid, insert a finger under the tab and lift the blade up. Insert a blade of your choice. Lock it down by pushing on the tab until it clicks into position. Place a vegetable slice on the blade. Make sure it fits entirely inside the blade's cutting area. Put your hand flat on the lid and push down firmly in one swift motion to chop the vegetable. Place both hands on lid when cutting larger pieces. Ease of chopping may vary depending on freshness and size of fruit or vegetable. Empty container to prevent overfilling. Use the cleaning comb to remove food residue from the pusher teeth after each use. Keeping pusher teeth clean will make chopping easier. How to change blades. Remove the existing blade from the blade slot by pulling up on the blade's plastic tab. Insert a blade of your choice. Lock the blade down by pushing on the blade's plastic tab until it clicks into position. How to clean. Use the provided cleaning comb to remove debris in between the pusher teeth. Hand wash the lid for best results. Optionally, use a kitchen brush to clean the blades. Clean and wash thoroughly immediately after use. Dishwasher safe, top rack only, up to 150 degrees Fahrenheit, 65 degrees Celsius. Remove the blade during the cleaning process to avoid possible injury. Store the blades and cleaning comb in the container for compact storage. Thanks for watching, and happy chopping!